Brett here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to put in a progress bar just like the one in this video that goes along with the timing of the clip so you can see visually how far along the clip is. Okay, so I'm going to be using a online tool called Veed.io, and as you can see, no credit card required. And the feature I'm going to be showing you today, I believe it is included in the free features. I have a light subscription, but that's more so I can export HD and some of the AI features. These features I don't think are AI, it just has to do with the timing of the video. So I already have dropped in a clip. So first thing, of course, you'll go to Veed, open it up, click create new project, and it'll basically bring you to this page. I then selected film the video, filmed it, or you can upload a video of your choice, whatever you want that works. And then go on the left here, click on elements, and there's all these different elements you can have. Draw, featured, mock-ups, logos. It's just as so many great features in this video editing tool. So up here I have select the very top progress bars, view all, and there's many different kinds. So the one I'm going to be placing on this video, which was the intro, is actually this one right here. But let's also show you some of the other ones here. Style basically changes it. So you can have circle, and let's just play the clip so you can see. And by the way, that's not going to share the audio from the actual screen, but there's audio. So you can see this is that way. So if you were to have some type of animation, you can, or I'm just something like that. Donut. I'm thinking this would be good if you're counting something, but what I'm really thinking of is a Gary Vee. I remember I used to see Gary in this right here, center it, and there you see, move it a little bit, and then it is perfectly surrounding the screen. So you can have that border. You can have reverse, which is just the opposite. So many different choices here. A rainbow border, which I guess is different colors. So that's like kind of an Instagram-y look. That actually looks pretty cool. And then there's the reverse version of it, of course. This one, which expands or shrinks because it's reverse. Snake spin. That one's interesting. But we're just going to put the simple rectangle at the bottom of the video here. And as you open it up, you might say, wow, that's way too thick. No, let's narrow it down a bit so it looks good. I'm going to center it. Then I want to change the color to a green. So let's see, it's not a very nice green. Let's go a brighter green. And then we'll make the secondary color portion also some type of green. Or let's do black, green and black. That looks pretty cool. And then it'll go throughout. And one more thing, let me just test it here. So if we take actually the progress bar and split it, I'm curious if that will make it end or split. Oh, so it will end. Okay. So you can either drag it to the length you want. So in this example, it's just going to be the intro of this video. All right, that's it. Make sure you click here for a recommended video or subscribe if you're interested in more content about becoming a content creator. And thanks for watching.